I see a few people are looking for ways to save on your electric bill. And one of the major ways to save, it's a very simple solution. By the way, my name is Daniel Powley, and I am an electrician of almost 9 years with over 9,000 hours of experience in residential, industrial, and commercial fields. I think I have a little bit of know-how on what's an understanding of what's going on inside your home and how you can save on your electric bill. One of the biggest things you can try and cut out, it doesn't have to be completely cut out, but if you cut out on using your furnace, whether heating or cooling your home, it's actually a very big energy drain, use of energy, especially when you're trying to cool your home with a central air conditioning system, because not only do you have to power your furnace, you also have power running the air conditioning unit, condenser unit on the outside of your home. So that's almost like a double energy draw right there. If you can at least cut that out, for 6 to 8 hours a night, and just have a fan blowing on yourself or the people in your house while you are all sleeping, that will cut down on the cost of your electric consumption. And same with if you're trying to heat your home in the winter time, or if you're in a cooler climate, cut down on using that furnace in the middle of the night. Once again, while you're sleeping for 6, 7, 8 hours a night, just have a few little space saver heater units going wherever people are sleeping, just to keep those rooms at a decent, comfortable temperature. That will save you a lot of money right there. And a couple other little things to watch out for is just to make sure, do a nightly sweep and make sure all your major components and appliances are off: TVs, receivers, toasters, coffee makers, stuff like that. Make sure the stove is off. Absolutely. That's a safety factor too. And one last thing that a lot of people do overlook is, make sure, go check your hot water tank. Make sure it's set at 120 degrees. A lot of times they're set up at about 125, 130 degrees. And this is alone by itself is a waste of energy. Just that little water pump inside there trying to regulate the temperature in there when it doesn't need to be up that high. And on a side note, being an electrician for as long as I have, with as much experience as I have, I recently found myself out of the blue unemployed from my last job. And I was thankful for it, actually, because I was already preparing for the worst, for the inevitable. Unemployment rates have been skyrocketing a lot, and it doesn't really matter what industry you're in. We had 8,000 people out of work in 2014 because of a government shutdown. Really, if you think your job is secure, don't try to fool yourself. It doesn't matter your position, what level you're at in your company. Technology age is coming, and a lot of things are changing. It's better to be prepared, especially if you have a family, a wife and kids that you're supporting. Go online. That's what I did. Online business, work from home. I got involved with a great group of people and a great company. You can find out how I did that in the link directly below this video, or any of the links in the description. There's a bunch of free information there for you to make. I'm there to help you try to make the best, most informed decision you can on a different path to take, because being an employee of any kind is just not the way to go. If you're struggling at all financially, it would be a good idea to change direction. And if that's what you want to do, I'm here to help however I can. And just dig in, find out whatever you can with the information that I provided. And if you decide that you want to go in the same direction, I am here to help however I can. So until then, take care. I'll see you on the inside.